English course, Level 1, Lesson 2. Languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian. I speak English. I speak Spanish. I speak Portuguese. I speak Italian. Country, country. England, England. Country. Mexico, Mexico. Mexico, country. Brazil, Brazil. Brazil, country. Italy, Italy. Italy, country. English, language. England, country. Spanish, language. Mexico, country. Portuguese, language. Brazil, country. Italian, language. Italy, country. Country, language. England, English. Mexico, Spanish. Brazil, Portuguese. Italy, Italian. In, in. In England, in England. In Mexico, in Mexico. In Brazil, in Brazil. In Italy, in Italy. I speak English in England. I speak Spanish in Mexico. I speak Portuguese in Brazil. I speak Italian in Italy. You speak English in England. You speak Spanish in Mexico. You speak Portuguese in Brazil. You speak Italian in Italy. I, you, we, I, you, we. I, you, we. I speak English. You speak English. We speak English. I speak Spanish. You speak Spanish. We speak Spanish. I speak Portuguese. You speak Portuguese. We speak Portuguese. I speak Italian. You speak Italian. We speak Italian. We speak Italian. We speak English in England. We speak Spanish in Mexico. We speak Portuguese in Brazil. We speak Italian in Italy.